Hello and welcome to your 2-minute tech briefing from Computer World. I'm your host, Arnold Davik, reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Here are the top IT stories you need to know for Wednesday, January 14th. Up first, ARM is reorganizing around something it calls physical AI. It's a new unit focused on robotics and automotive systems. ARM also split into three core groups: cloud and AI, edge products, and physical AI. ARM's decision comes as enterprises experiment with robotics beyond pilots, deploying autonomous systems in factories, warehouses, and logistics operations where real-time decision-making matters more than raw compute power. That shifts more inference to the edge, so CIOs prioritize reliability, low latency, and resilience. From Network World, Samsung is warning that memory chip shortages will push prices up across the electronics industry in 2026. Even Samsung says its own scale can't fully protect its products. The disequilibrium stems from manufacturers' reallocation of production capacity toward high bandwidth memory for AI data centers. This squeezes traditional and legacy DRAM supply. Enterprise hardware costs are already jumping, with DDR5 pricing surging, and procurement leverage is changing too as hyperscalers lock in supply while mid-market buyers face higher costs and longer delivery timelines. From CSO Online, Microsoft is warning about a surge in phishing that can look internal. Threat actors are abusing misconfigured MX records and weak DMARC SPF policies to make phishing emails look internal, bypassing filters and increasing credential theft risk. If mail follows a complex route before Microsoft 365, spoof checks may fail, letting emails with the recipient in both to and from reach the inbox. Microsoft says exploitation has risen since mid-2025 and urges strict DMARC recheck and SPF hard fail enforcement. For more enterprise tech news, visit Computer World, CIO, Network World, and CSO Online. And don't forget to like and subscribe on the Tech Talk YouTube channel.